Wingardium Fatiosa.
Somebody call the doctor. I have to shit out my liver. Jesus Christ.
Okay, that's Sylvester by Stallone.
I picked the wrong day to get a prostate exam. Shit.